hatid sa inyo ng Pretty Looks, Master of Eyebrows.
Kapamilya, gusto mo na bang sumuko kasi parang hindi mo na kaya ang mga problema? Mabigat at ayaw mo nang magpatuloy? Let me encourage you with a beautiful poem entitled Don't Quit by John Whittier. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Magpahinga at huwag bumigay. When you rest, your energy is restored. Baka pagod ka lang. Sabi nga ni Vince Lombardi, winners never quit and quitters never win. Ang nananalo sa buhay ay hindi sumusuko at ang mga sumusuko ay hindi nananalo. Always persevere. If you fall down, then get back up and try again, regardless of what challenges you are facing. Don't quit. A winner never stops trying. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Kahit mukhang mabagal, tuloy mo lang. Baka pumato ka sa susunod mong suntok. And you can never tell just how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when your heart is hit. It's when things seems worse that you must not quit. Huwag kang sumuko sa buhay. Pwedeng huminto at magpahinga, pero huwag sumuko at huwag bumigay dahil baka malapit na ang iyong tagumpay. Ito po si Abilene Garcia. Tulong ko, pasa mo.
Pretty Looks, celebrating 36 years in perfecting eyebrows. Para sa karagdagang kaalaman, tumutok lang sa Tulong Ko, Pasa Mo, Linggo alas 11 ng umaga sa DZMM.
Tulong ko, pasa mo, gagandang